It's Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am upstairs in the loft area and we're taking a quick tutorial on the television here. It is connected to a PS2, which you'll be able to actually watch DVDs or play PS2 games. And the way that you'd want to cycle through, just in case, it's on AV. So it's going to be on the AV setting. For the most part, that is going to be the only feature and function. The controller right here with the Sony PlayStation controller is how you navigate with the icons. And so you just go ahead and move things around. And you get the little acorn that moves around, special feature, play. And if you've got kids, I'm assuming you're going to know what to do. So if you have any questions about the television upstairs in the loft area of the LumberJack, you can call the landline at 208-634-0030. Cheers.